him off the road, so that was still nice.
Everybody got one of sizzling.
Sizzling. Oh no. Ah!
He just did G-Mo's spinning neck breaker. What the hell's with everyone today?
Korpse's elbow.
What is it with everyone today?
Yeah,
Marlo does it better.
Mr. H moment.
Yep.
I said he wants to have a Mr. H moment. Korpse.
Oh! Beautiful splash. Beautiful.
It's true.
Kick out.
Homicide taking offense. Oh!
Apparently the ref didn't see that.
What just happened? Nothing.
I don't know. I'm not allowed to tell.
Oh!
Yo, what is this? Copy G-Mo all day?
Yes.
What the hell? They're doing G-Mo's kicks, G-Mo's fucking neck breaker, and now G-Mo's DDT.
Oh.
This is G-Mo day. What the hell?
What's next? Oh!
If anyone doesn't come to cross, my cousin's gonna come out here and fuck them up.
To the chest. Oh my God. Everybody move! Move! Everybody move!
Where's he going for? Oh! Flying clothesline, ladies and gentlemen.
I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was beautiful. Korpse is going for something.
Demon horns.
Demon horns? Okay.
Oh!
Whatever you say.
Oh no. Ain't gonna do it. Oh!
Oh! That was one of the best choke slams I ain't seen in a long time.
That nigga bounced off the ground.
Do it again.
He bounced. Holy shit.
No, we have kids here. It was holy crap.
He bounced off the ground.
You know what? With kids here, NSW. NSW. That is the rule. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a vicious battle.
Oh, backbreaker. Oh, and a rock bottom.
Backbreaker into an STO. For a moment, I thought he was going to copy Mr. H.
1, 2, and he kicks out.
I don't know, Mr. H. They'll be copying G-Model too much today. You know what? My cousin sucks anyway. Sharpshooter! Actually, it's called a Scorpion Deathlock for people that really like to know.
Oh, God, he let me go.
Woo! And for the record, my feet are starting to burn from up here, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I do for the crowd. Oh, tell me this guy ain't gonna do what I think he's gonna do. Oh! Double-handed, two-handed choke sky high. What the deuce? Ladies and gentlemen, this is not, that position did not even look right. What is he going for? Oh, this match is over. This match is over. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, match is over.
He kissed the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, good night. 1, 2, 3.
And that's it. That's all she
The winner
That's all she wrote. The winner
is
is
the
Korpse.
one they call Korpse.
Oh my God. Good.
I just took a line from Mason.
Job.
Wow.
Wow. Damn it.
Double down.
Triple down.
Quadruple down.
Damn to the damn down.
Down to infinity.
Homicide put up a great fight, but he got laid the hell out. Bring it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with a man they call Shakespeare.
I don't even know where to start. when I first came in here. Had a few matches. You know, I lost to Mr. Television. And then the following day, the following week, I wrestled Dragon and lost that one. But I just want to say that next week, Money Mike, it's going to be me and you. That's it. Me and you in the ring, 101, mano a mano. Shakespeare's is on the rise. I don't know. Like, Money Mike, you came in, you wrestled. Started from the bottom, now you're the champion. ECW champion at that.
ES.
ES champion.
ESW.
I apologize. ES champion.
We don't want to get sued now.
Huh?
We don't want to get sued now.
Oh, alright.
Copyright infringement.
ES champion.
Fucking Vince McMahon.
Okay.
Okay, keep going.
The champion. The champion. I'm coming for that title. Me, Shakespeare. 4-time UPW champion. I don't think you have no match. I don't think you can beat a fly. Just listen to this. Next week, I'm gonna break you in half.
That was and that was from the man they call Shakespeare. Tomorrow, Son of Liberty is you versus Point Man. Any thoughts about that? Definitely what we heard earlier.
Yeah. Point Man. I'll tell you something, brother. You are not leaving tomorrow a happy man. You will be leaving the arena battered and bloody. You, my friend, are going down for the reasons beyond reasons I already said.
You look ugly anyway.
You, shut up. You, I'm your worst nightmare. And you know that for a fact. I know you in and out the ring, especially in the ring. I know everything that you do. Okay? I've studied your tactics. I've studied your moveset. Most of all, I've studied you. And what I mean by you is your self-personality. Excuse me, personality. I've studied you from head to toe. Point Man, there's no way you're gonna win today. Excuse me, tomorrow. I'm getting my words mixed up. Excuse me. There is no way that you're gonna beat me tonight. Tomorrow. I don't know, I'm just so hyper because I just want to get my hands on you and destroy you and leave you limping or not walking. Hospitalize you. Because you put this on yourself. You put this on yourself and now you have to pay the price. You mess with Criminal Minds, I'm going to be the one to stop you. Tomorrow comes the end of you.